Now, have you heard the one about... It sounds like a children's story, doesn't it? But in fact, it's a photograph that's become a huge hit online. Amateur snapper Martin LeMay took this amazing picture at his local park in Essex. It shows the woodpecker carrying the weasel on its back as it flies through the air. Martin's been telling Sally Lockwood the tale behind it.
It looks like the wily weasel just wants to give its legs a rest. But actually, this animal is a predator and had clambered onto the unsuspecting woodpecker to attack it. The brave bird fought back, taking flight through a park in Essex. Wildlife photographer Martin LeMay captured the amazing images after he heard its distressed squawks.
We were looking at it through the binoculars to see what we could see, and it was dancing around on the ground in a very sort of unnatural, strange way, still making this squawking noise. So I decided to swap my binoculars for the camera, and as I got to about the third shot I realised that it had something on its back.
Well, of course, you posted the photos online last night, and when you woke up this morning, what reaction did it have?
Well, my daughter came in and said that there'd been something like 900,000 views of BuzzFeed. And my first reaction was that she can't read numbers properly, she must have got it wrong. So I logged on and looked, and at that point it was just short of 1 million.
The images have been shared all over the internet. The new word weaselpecker quickly coined and trending on social media.
It's unusual in that it's two animals, very small animals, in our backyard. It's two animals playing out a life and death scenario that you expect to see on the Serengeti. You expect to see it with a lion and a zebra. You don't expect to see it with a tiny weasel and a green woodpecker. Fantastic.
The woodpecker later landed and managed to shake itself free, showing the weasel it had bit off more than it could chew. Sally Lockwood, 5 News.
Good stuff.